Hey guys, good morning. Mr. Chukai here. Today we're going to work on the activity 1.2.5, which deals with sketches, extrusion, and revolution. Revolution is a new feature that we were introduced to yesterday, and I was very happy. Yesterday, most of you did the work, and it was good. And for those who either were out or couldn't keep up for one reason or another, I'm going to get the screencastify today for you, and you can use it to complete your assignment. So this is what we did yesterday. All right. So as you can see, we did this. We used a couple of features, as I say, solution. Revolving and the chamfer. All right, so let's get going. So create a new design. So you're starting with a new design. And again, as I've already mentioned, in document setting, you press the triangle here and you make sure that the units are in millimeters. Okay, so as I said yesterday, last activity, last project, we used inches. So we're going to make sure that we use millimeters this time. So I have it in millimeters by default at this point. All right, so now create sketch. So according to our measurements from this activity, our sketch is uh, 20 by 30. Okay, so 30 millimeters by 20 millimeters. So uh, we're going to create a rectangle. Okay, this is step 5 of the activity. All right, so let me get back to Fusion, create a rectangle. We did create sketch. All right, create sketch. Okay, select here, create rectangle, center rectangle, go to the center, click, drag. So 30 by tab, I press tab by 20. And I press enter and finish sketch. So now, as I said yesterday, this is our new feature. All right, so our new feature is revolve. So I press create, I press revolve, and you see how it opens this here, and I want it revolved on this angle, on this line, the 30 centimeter, and it will be revolved by 360 degrees. Okay, and I press OK. So you see now I have this fancy cylinder. Okay, so that's the new feature, revolve. So you press the 30 uh, millimeter line side, and then you press OK, and it will revolve. So you go to create revolve, press the line on the axis of 30 millimeters, and it will create the cylinder. All right, good enough. So now on this side, I turn it a little bit. Okay, so I have it in my view. On this side, I want to insert a 10 by 10. You see here, create sketch, create, again, rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, so 10 by 10. 10, tab, 10. All right, and I say enter, okay, and finish sketch. All right, so I have uh, this 10 by 10 square in the center of my cylinder. Now I want to extrude it. So I'm going to extrude. I select it, it turns blue. All right, so go to extrusion, and I'm going to make it 15 millimeters. All right, so extrude it out to 15 millimeters, and I press OK. All right, so I added a new component here. Now my next turn is to chamfer it. Okay, so we are told to chamfer it. And as far as chamfering is concerned, it's not a big deal, but we are told to chamfer it along these lines where the two objects meet, where the little, square, the little cube here meets with the cylinder, the two surfaces. Okay, so not up here, but here. All right, so I go to chamfer here, and my chamfer will be 5. 5 millimeters. All right. So I go 1, I select this, I select this, and I select that, and I say 5, and I press enter. All right. So now, as we can see, I got this. All right. So now, my last thing, is that a refill or is that a fillet? Yes. So now I have to press fillet. All right. Select this. Fillet. I say 5 at 30-degree angle. 5. All right. And I say enter. Yes. Enter. Now I go home and I have my object. Very good. All right. So I did it with fillet. You can do it with fillet. You can do it with chamfer as well.
Miss Blackie, can you please come to the main lobby?
So whichever option you like to do. All right. But that's what we did yesterday. So good luck, and you guys shall be.
Oh, that's not good.
All
I could
right.
do better.
All right. See you.